Morning children. In our first video, I told you about natural vegetation and wildlife, the definition of natural vegetation. And in that video, I told you that natural vegetation is classified into three types: forest, grasslands and the shrubs. So today in this video, second video, I am going to explain you about the different types of forest. So in this video, I am explaining about two types of forest. Today we are going to discuss about different types of forest. There are 7 types of forest. So in this video I am going to discuss about 3 types of forest. That is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest and Mediterranean forest. Now first we'll see about tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are generally found in the equatorial and the tropical zone. That is 23 degree north to 23 degree south, where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter and the temperature is about 15 degree to 13 degrees Celsius. They cover about 7% of the Earth's land surface and house nearly 50% of the world's plants and animals. They are very denser near the equator. These forests are also known as selvas or equatorial forest. Tropical evergreen forests are found in Amazon and the Orinoco basins of South America and the Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. In India, it can see in these forests are found in the western slopes of Western Ghats in Kerala and Karnataka. And these are also found in the Garo, Genesia and Khasi hills. Now, there are some features of tropical evergreen forest. What are the features of tropical evergreen forest? Tropical evergreen forests are dense and multi-layered. The trees are so closely knit that they form a huge canopy or cover that does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. We can see the trees have a large, huge canopy and cover, and it does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground, where sunlight does manage to reach the ground and undergrowth of herbs and shrubs develops. The trees here are very mostly tall, even 40 to 60 meter. We can see some hardwoods like mahogany, ebony and rosewood. There is rain throughout the year in these regions. So there is no mass shedding of leaves here at any specific point of time. That is why these forests are evergreen. We cannot see the shedding of leaves. So that is why it's called evergreen. Next feature is leaves are broad and therefore the rate of transpiration is very high. Do you know what is meant by transpiration? Transpiration is the process of water passing out from the surface of plant or leaf is called transpiration. Next feature is more species of trees and animals are there in these forests than anywhere else. These are the important features of tropical evergreen forest. Now we can see the animal life in this tropical evergreen forest. A wide variety of wildlife is found in the tropical evergreen forest, including reptiles like lizard, turtle, alligators, crocodiles, etc. And some birds also we can see in this tropical evergreen forest like parrots, hummingbirds, owls. And variety of snakes we can see: pythons, cobras, pit vipers and kraits. These are the different type of snakes which we can see in this. And in the equatorial forest of India, elephants, tigers, porcupines and many species of birds also found. This is about tropical evergreen forest, where we can see this tropical evergreen forest, what are the features of tropical evergreen forest and which type of animal life we can see in the tropical evergreen forest. Next classification is tropical deciduous forest. These forests are also known as monsoon forest. These are generally found in the monsoon regions of the world where rainfall is around 150 centimeter and the range of temperature is from 20 degree to 48 degrees Celsius. These forests are found widely spread over India. And in the rest of the world, we can see this forest in Asia, Mexican regions of Central America, Peru, Brazil and northern parts of Australia. And what are the important features of tropical deciduous forest? The trees shed their leaves during a distinctive dry season to prevent moisture loss due to the transpiration. This is the main important differences between the tropical evergreen forest and the tropical deciduous forest. The tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves. Why they are shedding their leaves? They are shedding their leaves during a distinctive season, dry season, to prevent the moisture loss due to transpiration. I already explained you what is meant by transpiration. Transpiration is a process of water passing out from the surface of a plant or a leaf. It's called a transpiration. Or so to prevent the moisture loss due to transpiration, the tropical deciduous forest are shedding their leaves. And the shedding season is spread over 6 to 8 weeks. Different species shed their leaves at different times. And teak is a dominant species here. Sandalwood, sal, bamboo, these all are the other valuable species found here. And the important animal life which we can see in this tropical deciduous forest: tigers, leopards, lions, elephants, foxes, deer. These all are the wide variety of animals which we can see, and wide variety of reptiles and insects also are found in these areas, in this tropical deciduous forest. Next is forest is Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forests grow between the latitude 30° and 45° in the northern and southern hemisphere. They are found in the coastal part of Europe, Africa, and Asia. And important features of Mediterranean forest are the trees and the shrubs that grow here have adapted to the Mediterranean climate, which has dry summers and mild wet winters. Wet winters means rainfall winters. To deal with the dry summers, the leaves of trees are generally stiff and very hard. So they want to deal with the dry summers, so the leaves of these trees are very stiff and very hard. And these Mediterranean forests we can see in the Mediterranean area, and it suits or it's depend upon the Mediterranean climate. And the trees have thick barks and long roots. These forests, known for their fruits bearing orange and olive trees, are called orchards of the earth. The trees are widely spaced with shrubs in between them. The main trees found here are oak, olives, pines, oranges, beeches, etc. And the animal life which we can see in this Mediterranean forest: squirrels, wood rats, deer, rabbits, foxes, lizards, snakes, leopards, these all found in the Mediterranean forest. And some birds also we can see in this Mediterranean forest, like kites, falcons, hawks. These type of birds also we can see in the Mediterranean forest. I hope you understood about tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and Mediterranean forest. The location, features, and the animal life which we can see in this forest. And I am giving you one activity and the worksheet along with this. I'll send through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.